Hey everybody, we're out here on Percy Priest. Doing a little striper fishing today. Hey, stay right there. One more. Go. That's a good one. One more. Yeah, got that one. Out here today, my buddy Travis. The guys here on Percy. That's the first one of the day. Oh. Yeah, there we go. Good little hybrid. Yeah, nothing wrong with that. That's what we're after today, so we hope that we can. Boy, he took that thing down, man.
Oh yeah.
And,
well, we're gonna eat them.
Oh, we're gonna eat them for sure. Yeah, I've had a couple days, just thought I'd come down. Turkey season is over, so you gotta do something.
That's right.
We gotta do something. And but y'all just come along and we'll see if we can't catch a few more.
About that.
I don't want to get wrapped up in that other one. Okay. Drag is.
It's okay, don't worry about this one. Oh yeah. Taking you back down, buddy. Okay. Well, he got all the lines, didn't he?
Yeah, he just got them all. Right.
I got stop here. Easy, man.
Well,
I ain't worried about this.
we're all screwed up now.
We'll fix it. That's a rodeo.
This is a rodeo. This is taking us around. Pretty good one, though.
Yeah, good fish.
Yeah.
Look at there. He got all the bait.
He got all of them. Gee, mercy, that one really kind of got us all
Tangled up?
tangled up. Size, but we're finding them. They're just not wanting to play very good. But
Yeah.
they may turn on here in a little bit. Then once they turn on, they usually turn on for good.
According to the screen, they're here.
Yeah, they're definitely here. And but them are the kind, if you want to eat, them are the kind that you really want to eat right there. Just good filet.
5 to 10 pounder.
5 to 10 pounds. But that's what you want. So.
Good one, huh?
Yeah, I think so. At least I don't think this is going to screw us up.
Let's just keep him that way.
Yeah, let's keep missing.
Oh yeah. Tighten that right there. Once you see him, stop reeling and just kind of ease him. He gets that head out of the water. Shakes that. Oh, he saw us.
Yeah.
He saw us.
Man, I'll tell you what, I have missed this right here. It's been 2 years since I've had to feel this, man. It feels pretty good. It's almost got turkey out. Almost.
Almost.
Almost. Oh, man.
Oh, we got double.
Oh, go ahead and get him. Got another one back here. I'll see if I can just do it.
Oh, picture.
Yeah.
Go ahead, swing him in. There's
That's a good one. Yeah.
There's the biggest one of the day, buddy.
Yeah.
Oh, we got 3. Oh no.
Oh my God. Here. Oh, we got 3. Man, we got We got 3 going on here.
Oh boy, this is a good one too.
Oh man. Jeez. Holy cow. That was oh, come here, you sucker. Come on. Oh. Get out from under the boat. Come on. Man, this thing is not wanting to come out under this freaking boat. Huh? Got that line, you sucker. I don't even know where this is at. That's a good one. That is a good one right there. Woo! This is not wanting to budge. I don't know if he's a big one or if he's just mean. There you go. I don't know if he's just mean. I don't know. I'll tell you one thing. That's a good one. Yeah. Look here, striper. Is that a stripe?
That's a striper.
That's a stripe. Yeah, I know you. He was mean, man. Yeah.
Good job.
Man.
That's a good striper there, buddy.
That's a stripe. Woo! Man, I know the way that one is acting. I'm like, this ain't acting right.
Hold him up the camera and toss him.
There you go. Yeah. Yeah.
Nice striper.
I have missed y'all greatly.
Purebred.
I have missed y'all greatly. Woo! That was fun. And this one. Well, that was exciting. That was exciting. I know the way that one was acting. I'm like, I don't know. I was going to say when I was like, this may not be a hybrid. I didn't want to jinx it though.
They put up a heck of a fight.
But you can sort of tell the difference in the stripers and the. I mean, the hybrids fight hard, but you can just.
But that striper is a torpedo that goes away from
yeah.
the boat. That hybrid will go down, and then once he saw that boat, he would straight down.
It's just different. Yeah. Oh gosh,
Triples.
That's good.
I got a runner.
He's not budging much. Yeah, this is. just when you think that you can do one, they all start going nuts. But man, that's a good hybrid right there. That's he's looks like he's about 9. About 9 pounds.
Big belly.
Big belly. All right. Man, sometimes you get these going like that, but nothing wrong with that. Woo! That give you some workout right there. Man, there's some big ones down there though. I mean, there's some like giant ones. I'm sure that's stripers.
Yeah.
So maybe they'll get turned on here in a minute. But, man, it seems like when they hit though, they just go bam, bam, bam. You know, it's like
once they school up.
Yeah. You're sort of like when you hook one, you're like worried because you're watching everything else. But all right. Oh, got another one here. Man, we just had a school of humongous ones swim by. I don't think this is one of them, but man, it's like
you gotta look over your shoulder once you hook one.
Yeah. I don't know, man. This is sort of taking me out a little bit. Come on. There he comes. Shake that head. Shake that head.
Oh yeah. Good fish.
Shake that head, sucker. Ah. Is that a striper?
Nope.
Huh?
Big fat hybrid.
Oh, is it?
Yep. Big hybrid.
Yep. Yeah. Oops. Come on. Yeah. They're all running about the same size.
All run about 5-6 pounds.
But right fun. Yeah. Yeah. Man. They take it down so deep. Anyways.
He's got pretty good stripes on him too.
Yeah. Pretty fish. Pretty fish. All right.
See what kind of opening to do.
Yeah.
Fast fish.
He's fast. He's a torpedo one. I love when they do that.
Yeah. They see that boat.
Be honest, Travis, my arm's getting a little bit tired. My arm's getting a little bit tired. That's a good one. That's a good one. That's the biggest of the day. That might be the biggest hybrid of the day right there. Yeah.
Oh yeah. Big toad. Good lip hook too.
Yeah, that's good. Yeah. All right, there's a 9-pounder right there. Nice hybrid. All right, we're gonna call it an evening. We're gonna come back in the morning and try to get on some of these big, gigantic ones because they're here. But hopefully we can get on them tomorrow. But that's a good couple hours fishing, and boy, he's fat. So, all right, let's put him back and put him back. See you, baby. Bye-bye. We'll see you in the morning for round 2. Hey everybody, we're out here. This is day 2. Just got out here on the lake, so make this long run, try to get back on them trophies we seen yesterday.
We know where they're at.
Yeah.
Will they bite?
I hope so, man. They were some big ones. So
but y'all come along and we'll see what we can get into, and let's make this big boat run. So y'all come along. First one of the morning. This took us a little bit.
Yeah, they weren't playing nice this morning.
Oh,
I think you got them.
finally. If you don't come on, we've been losing 4 or 5. Come on. Come on. Sort of glad ends on the bottom. Don't go around that boat. One more. One more. Come on. You sucker. Man. They're just being ornery today. Man, that's a good one there. Man, they're just being ornery today.
Yeah,
All right. That is a good one there.
that is.
Man.
That's a big boy. Right.
Man. Man, that is, oh, you got
Right.
okay. Now can you? Okay. I feel better now about it. Get that out of there. Oh. Well, they just turned on, didn't they, for a second?
Yep.
Because we're landing on the planer board. Stupid.
One more.
Big boy. Yeah. Woo! Man, that's how it goes, you know. I mean, it's just, you go for an hour and nothing, and then just like, bam, bam. Yeah.
Well, you got 2 big boys.
Yeah. Just, man.
These are chunks.
These are. There we go. There's that one. See? Look at that. That one's actually bigger. I bet that was what? What is it?
Oh, we'll find out.
This is probably about 6. So that was about 8.
Okay.
Yeah.
Boy, those are some good fish, man.
It is. And we're not, and I'll tell you what, it's been hard.
Yeah.
It's not been easy. We've had to work for them. This is good fish.
Boy.
He is going at the Oh my God. Yeah, this is a dropper, I guarantee you. This ain't nothing right.
Oh, it's one of them big old fat
Oh no.
hybrids. He's running.
Here, let's have one. Other here. He's got one of them.
Yeah. Just let him run. You can only do one at a time.
How in the world do you go hours without catching one, and then it's like,
more. That's another good hybrid. Big hybrid.
Holy cow.
Go ahead and get that up. Goodness. That is a huge hybrid.
Now this is still on. I'll get that one out. Well, we're gonna get tied up in this one too.
It's okay. No, it's coming in at 10 pounds right here, buddy.
Is it?
Yeah.
Here we go. Well, whew, this will give you a workout. Listen at that drag. It's just. Whoa. Come on. They're running about the same size, ain't they?
That's 10 pounds.
Come on. Come on. Get it. No. All right. One more time. One more time. Yeah. There we go.
Huh?
Getting them downlining now.
Yeah, they just kind of turned on right here, huh?
Oh, all right. Well, maybe we get a break for a second. Which I ain't complaining because we went a long time. We went a good long while. There you go. All right. Well, there's that one. Goodbye. Maybe. So I think what it was, it's just really calm today, and I think they're just not liking the boat, so we're having to get these planer boards to get away from the boat. But anyway, that's what we've done. So gotta go with what works. So crazy. We literally said it's time to go, and bam! I mean, as soon as we uttered it's time to go. Oh man, that was nuts. We didn't think we was gonna get one more. And it has been slow this morning, but they turned on the last hour. You know. Don't get in that line, you stupid thing. Why do they always get?
Oh, yeah.
They always want to go to that other. Well,
That was the last one anyhow.
yeah.
There you go.
Oh, we almost jinxed that one. There you go. Little guy, but he'll do. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed watching us. We've hope you've enjoyed the video. And there we go. We've caught some pretty nice fish here. And if y'all are interested in booking a trip down here at Percy Priest Lake, give my buddy here Travis. He guides here. What's
Music City Fishing Charter.
Music City Fishing Charter?
Music City, like Nashville.
All
Music
right.
City Fishing Charter.
We're right outside the limits of Nashville here, and you can come here and enjoy the sights of Nashville, and also catch you some fish while you're here. And that's about the best eating size you can have. But we're gonna let this one go. And we just appreciate you watching. And man, today's been a little bit.
It's been hot
and rough, but anyway, we'll do it again soon, and y'all stay tuned. And you know, we're just kind of between turkey season and deer season. So we'll try to bring some more fishing stuff here this summer, and we'll see y'all in the next video.